Hi everyone, I am Sudha, Associate Professor in the Department of CSE. For the academic year 21-22, I am going to handle web technologies for the second year, second semester. I welcome you all to this particular course. What is web technology? Web technology refers to the tools and techniques that are utilized in the process of communication among the devices over the internet. By using web technologies, you can create web applications like email kind of programs like Gmail, Yahoo, file conversions, audio and video conversions, editing, word processors, etc. You can also create websites by using the web technologies. You might have seen SVECW website, which is a web application. So wherein the user will be hosting certain information and you will be able to retrieve the information from the website. So by the end of this particular course, you will be able to create one of its kind. So to create the web technologies, the core techniques that are required are the front end and the back end. The first three units comprises of the front end. Front end is the portion of the website the client directly communicates to. And to design the front end, you require HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which forms the first three units. And the rest of the three units comprises of the backend or the server-side programming, wherein you will be looking into Webservers, JSP and JDBC. So it's a complete course, my friends, and I'm looking forward to meet you all in the learning rooms to have a great learning experience. Thank you.